Second PC monitor, no signal or not detecting. Five options how to fix no signal second PC monitor. Let's start for the basic option. Number 1, keyboard combination key. Press Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B. Or try, press Windows key plus P. And select Extend. Number 2, check the monitor to see if it is connected to the PC or not. Go to Device Manager. Select Monitor. Check if your second monitor's model is there. Select your second monitor and click Update Driver. If your second monitor is not here, skip this tutorial and proceed to number 3. Next, go to Display Settings. Make sure second monitor display is selected to extend these display. Click your second monitor and go to Display Resolution and select a recommended resolution, or try to adjust select lower resolution one by one until your second monitor got display. Number 3, if not connected, check cable connection or try different cable. Check to make sure connected and inserted properly. If still no display, try different cable like HDMI or VGA. Number 4, reset monitor display. Disconnect power outlet cable and press hold power monitor button to 3 to 5 seconds for reset your monitor resolution. That's it. Try power on if it's your monitor got display. Number 5, update graphics driver, NVIDIA/AMD.
For an AMD graphics card, right-click your mouse, click AMD Software, go to Settings and check for updates. Then set it to automatically check for updates. For an NVIDIA graphics card, open your NVIDIA software, log in, go to the Drivers section, check for updates, download if available, Install. Choose Express Installation. Continue. And restart your computer after installation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.